Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to stop background audio play in Twitch. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to stop background audio play, you just simply have to open your Twitch application at very first. And after opening the Twitch application, you will get to see this profile picture option at the top left corner, and from there you will also get the option of account settings. Tap into account settings option, and after going into account setting, you don't have to do much. You just simply have to select preferences option, and then you will directly get the option of continue playing audio in the background. And if you look at it carefully, you will get to see that option might have been set into either always or headphone or speaker. Now, in order to turn off the background audio play, you will have to select it into this never option. You can choose other option also depending on your need or preferences. This way you can easily stop your audio playing in the background in Twitch. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.